Hi, my name is Jane McCorkell. I'm a landscape architect. I've been a practicing landscape architect for 23 years, which sounds a bit scary. And I've been working with Tobermore for those 23 years. I've had my own practice here for 20 of those years, and I've been involved in the varied evolution of Tobermore and the Tobermore products that they provide. An overview of what the hard landscape proposal is would be a service where people in the commercial industry, whether they be house builders or architects, civil engineers, anybody, landscape architects working in the construction industry, can come to us and say, we want to use your products, we want to use your paving, we just need to know how to put it all together. Because there's so many different options, and it's always good to be able to have an outside view of how best to use the Tobermore products. So with a hard landscape proposal, what we do is we look at your project, we look at the buildings, we look at what you're trying to achieve and what your brief is, and we try and give you a proposal of what best and how best to use a Tobermore project. The problems that a hard landscape proposal can solve, we try to eliminate the confusion, because nowadays there are so many options for people. There are so many different paving options, curbing options. I mean, who thought paving and curbing could be so exciting? But really, actually it is. There's just so much involved. There's so many different products involved. There's so many different combinations. So you could be a landscape architect and you want to achieve a certain look or feel, and you're not sure which products could possibly be combined to provide you with what it is you're trying to achieve, and we could assist in that way. If you're a design and build service or a design and build project, and you have an architect, or you just have the project manager and he's trying to, or she is trying to combine to create a certain look, we can help sort of give you examples and laying patterns, again, so the man on the ground can put the paving down and feel confident that what they do in the end is what they set out to achieve. Who benefits from the hard landscape proposals? Anybody in the construction industry will benefit from this service. This service is, we're not trying to do the job for people. We're not trying to design their hard landscaped areas. What we're trying to do is give them solutions for their hard landscape services. So anybody and everybody who is in the construction industry, or even a domestic client, can benefit from a hard landscape proposal. Okay? So it helps them to, again, put together materials in a aesthetically pleasing way. So why use a Tobermore hard landscape proposal? It could be a very efficient way of you being able to go to your end client or end user of a space and giving them a proposal of how best to use a Tobermore product. With the Tobermore hard landscape proposal, they will have a very good overview of how the material is going to look, how it's going to benefit their sale of their product. In other words, how good their house can look with a Tobermore product. So everybody and anybody can benefit from that product. It's really at any stage of your construction project. So construction projects are broken into phases. You've got the planning phase, construction phase, detailed design phase, and really a hard landscape proposal can help you at any of those stages. We can help at the pre-planning with just giving you ideas that you can go in with to the planning process. We would do a lot more detail when it comes to the detailed design service, and we can provide much more information on what product to use where. And then when it comes to the construction phase, we can help out with the laying patterns. So any phase of your construction project can be benefited with a HLP.